Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on alarm on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are a punctual person and don't want to miss a schedule, then you should set the alarm as often as possible guys. Then the Samsung Galaxy A56 provides the alarm feature where you can schedule it every day or at certain times. And how to turn on alarm is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first, now you can go to clock menu and then now you can go to the alarm menu. And then here you can turn on the schedule alarm, or if you want to add another alarm you can click icon plus and then you can set the time, and then now you can set the schedule date, and then you can also change the alarm sound, and then so yeah, your alarm has turned on. Okay guys, see you guys on next video and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.